At number 1, we have the EMERIL Lagasse Pasta and Beyond automatic pasta maker. This powerful 4-in-1 electric machine with 8 shaping discs makes fresh pasta effortless. Mix, knead, and extrude up to 1 pound of pasta in just minutes with one-touch operation. Customize with vegetable juices, eggs, and specialty flours for healthy, colorful creations. Plus, it transforms into a slow juicer and frozen dessert maker for endless versatility. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts that save time and effort.
With my own recipe cookbooks included, you'll have endless inspiration right out of the box.
Convenient, customizable, and packed with features. Make fresh pasta easier than ever. At number 2, we have the Philips 7000 series pasta maker, a game changer for homemade pasta lovers. Featuring advanced ProExtrude Technology and a powerful 150W motor for perfect dough every time. The optimized mixing chamber guarantees precisely prepared and evenly mixed dough. Capable of preparing up to 8 portions of fresh pasta in under 10 minutes. With 8 interchangeable discs, create any pasta shape you desire. From colorful vegetable pastas to classic favorites, the possibilities are endless. The versatile mixing function also prepares dough for cookies, pizza, and bread. Fully automated operation makes pasta making effortless. Just add ingredients and press start. Dishwasher-safe, non-stick parts make cleanup quick and effortless. The HomeID app provides guided recipes, including vegan and gluten-free options. Efficient, user-friendly, and packed with versatility. Elevate your pasta making today. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Pasta Maker, a game changer for fresh homemade pasta. With 7 interchangeable molds, create everything from spaghetti to fettuccine. Endless possibilities at your fingertips. Fully electric. Mixing, kneading, and extruding done for you. Just add ingredients and watch fresh pasta come to life. Perfect for small meals. 2 to 3 servings in just 15 minutes. Ideal for busy nights or weekend cravings. With its sleek white design, it fits any kitchen. Hamilton Beach makes homemade pasta accessible to everyone. At number 5, we have the Shule Electric Pasta Maker, your ultimate kitchen companion for homemade pasta perfection. This versatile machine comes with everything you need: multifunctional rollers, pasta cutters, and even a ravioli maker. Setup is a breeze with the easy motor attachment system. Just lock, insert, and you're ready to go. With 7 adjustable thickness settings from 0.5 to 3 millimeters, create everything from delicate noodles to hearty lasagna sheets. The specialized ravioli roller creates perfect 2-centimeter square pockets for your favorite fillings. 2 pasta cutter widths let you make everything from wide fettuccine to thin spaghetti. Built with premium stainless steel and anodized aluminum, the Shule Electric Pasta Maker brings professional pasta making to your home kitchen.
At number 4, we have the MARCATO Atlasmotor 110V electric pasta machine, a premium pasta making system crafted entirely in Italy. This set includes everything you need: Atlas 150 machine, hand crank, clamp, powerful motor, and instruction manual. Control pasta thickness with precision from delicate tagliolini to robust lasagna sheets. Create wide pasta sheets up to 6 inches wide, perfect for any recipe. Expand your pasta repertoire with 11 compatible accessories. Endless shapes, endless possibilities. The pasta drive motor ensures consistent speed, freeing both hands and reducing preparation time. Cleaning is simple. Built-in scrapers keep rollers clean, and a dry brush removes residue. Backed by Italian craftsmanship, the MARCATO Atlasmotor delivers authentic homemade pasta every time.